something extraordinary is happening in the mountains of southern Utah. For decades, Brian Head has been one of Utah's most beloved mountain destinations. Now, a new chapter is beginning. The first ski lift in Aspen Meadows. A new mountain village is taking shape and more is being planned. A vision decades in the making is finally becoming a reality. Welcome to Aspen Meadows at Brian Head, the future third mountain at Brian Head. In 2026, Aspen Meadows is reaching a major milestone with the installation of Stephanie's ski lift, the first lift constructed within the community, and the first step towards transformative mountain expansion. Named in honor of Brian Head pioneer and my dear friend Stephanie Hardelmeyer, this quad chairlift represents far more than a ski lift. It represents a vision that will bring new ski terrain, new neighborhoods, expanded recreational opportunities, and an entirely new mountain experience to Brian Head. And this is only the beginning. Spanning nearly 2,000 acres, Aspen Meadows is one of the most ambitious mountain communities ever envisioned in southern Utah. It features 2 master plan ski villages and is surrounded by stunning alpine scenery. Aspen Meadows offers one of the quietest and most serene locations in all of Brian Head. Not right this second, but it's going to when it's done. Owners will enjoy breathtaking mountain views in every direction, direct access to recreation, and a lifestyle centered around the outdoors. What makes Aspen Meadows different? First, obviously the location. Bordered by U.S. Forest Service land along its eastern boundary, Aspen Meadows enjoys hundreds of acres of surrounding open space and mountain terrain. Second, recreation. This mountain community was designed for people who want to live where they play. With more than 100 miles of skiing, hiking, biking trails, every season offers a new opportunity for adventure. From powder mornings to summer trail rides, the outdoors isn't nearby, it begins at your front door. The heart of Aspen Meadows is the future Founders Base Lodge. Planned as Brian Head Resort's third base area, Founders Base Lodge will serve as the centerpiece of the community and a gateway to the mountain. Within the Founders neighborhood and Central Ski Village, it will provide convenient access to future terrain, village amenities, dining, lodging, and year-round recreation. More than a base lodge, the village will be a gathering place for Aspen Meadows. Stephanie's ski lift is only the first chapter. Future plans include an interconnected lift system designed to seamlessly connect Aspen Meadows with Brian Head Resort. The vision includes Stephanie's ski lift, the future Christmas tree chairlift, which is on the other side of Magic Rock, a new angled 3-station gondola connection connecting Aspen Meadows to Navajo Lodge, future summit lift connections, future Dragon's Back lift connections. Together, these lifts are designed to create a fully integrated mountain experience, connecting multiple base areas and ski villages. Future skiers and riders will enjoy expanded access throughout the mountain while exploring entirely new terrain, and it is going to be great. Aspen Meadows is planned to introduce approximately 850 acres of skiable terrain. Combined with Brian Head Resort's existing terrain, the expansion will bring the resort to approximately 1,500 total skiable acres. That will make Brian Head the 7th largest resort in Utah. More terrain, more opportunities to explore, bigger mountain, while preserving the character that makes Brian Head so special. And adventure doesn't end when the snow melts. Aspen Meadows will expand and connect to Brian Head's existing trail network, creating new trailhead and recreational access points. Residents will enjoy direct connection to town trails, the Dark Hollow Trail, and miles of new mountain biking and hiking routes. More than 100 miles of trails planned throughout the region. Outdoor exploration becomes part of everyday life. And in Aspen Meadows, the lifestyle includes every member of the family. We've talked about this. Pets are welcome. Plans include a community park and a dedicated dog park located within the southeast neighborhood, next to the future Christmas tree chairlift, which is right here. It's another example of how Aspen Meadows is designed around community, connection, and outdoor living. For owners interested in sharing their mountain retreat, nightly rentals are permitted. Aspen Meadows really is more than a ski community. It's the ideal base camp for exploring a few places in America that allow you fresh powder in the morning and standing among the world famous red rock landscape in the afternoon. Aspen Meadows at Bryan Head is where mountain living, mountain adventure, and mountain legacy come together. Let me know when we can schedule your tour. You've got to get up here and see this incredible development. It's gonna blow your mind. Let me know when you'd like to be here. We'll see you soon.